Hello guys, welcome back to another new video. I hope you are all doing well. Many of you here sell products on Etsy, but unlike Shopify, Etsy doesn't allow you to easily offer Clipart customization the way you might want. That's why today, I'm going to show you a method that can help solve this problem to some extent. So, let's get started with today's video. I hope you'll watch the entire video from beginning to end. In Anywhere POD, first create the product the same way you normally do for Shopify. Since I already have a design created, I'm showing you how to duplicate it. If you have any trouble uploading your design on Anywhere POD, please watch our previously uploaded video for guidance. Now we gotta edit. Click Save New. Now we'll keep the clip art and delete everything else. Now we'll change the clip art, dress, body tone, and everything else that appears here. Once the clip art is ready, we'll update the product. Now, we'll need to download the artwork. Once the artwork is downloaded, we'll go back to Edit. This is how we'll create all the clip arts we need. One more thing, make sure to keep all the clip arts in the same folder. Now, we'll go to Canva. Upload clip art on Canva. To keep all the clip arts in one place, we'll upload them all to Canva and organize them together. Make sure to check carefully whether everything is in the exact same position or not. We'll need to do the same for all of them. After placing all the clip art together, you need to add them to the same page. Now, after placing a different clip art on each page, make sure the remaining clip arts are also different on every page. After placing each clip art on a separate page, create an additional page that displays all the clip arts together. On that page, assign a number to each clip art so customers can easily identify and select their preferred design. Then, we'll need to download all the clip arts again, but make sure to select Transparent Background when downloading. Then, we'll need to upload the clip arts back into Anywhere POD. After uploading the Cliparts, go back to the product and open Edit. Then we'll need to upload the same Cliparts here as well. Now, we'll need to replace the old Cliparts with these new ones. After placing the new Cliparts, we'll delete everything related to the old Cliparts. Then, we'll need to turn on Live Preview. Now go to the Etsy personalization configuration settings. and copy personalization link. Then we'll need to check the link to make sure the personalization is working properly. Yes, all work perfectly. Now give title and Etsy tag. Now we'll need to add the previously copied link to the description. All done. Now push to Etsy. Now go to Etsy and publish the listing. Then upload the mockups, making sure to include the page where we placed all the clip arts together. Now check on Etsy product. Here, you can type a customized name. Under Choose Your Clip Art option, you'll see the available numbers. Select the number you want. Based on the numbering from the page where we placed all the clip arts together, choose the corresponding clip art. If the customer wants to create own clip arts, they can copy the web address from the description and paste it into their browser to see how look clip arts on product. Yeah, all done. It looks perfect. Problem uploading customized product? Want us to upload your customized product for you? Contact us on mail or our website.